Go. Here's Joshua.
Hi. Oh, hi.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, baby Yoda.
Yeah. Baby Yoda. Why are you saying Baby Yoda?
Hey, day. I eat Bobby. I eat Daddy. I eat it. I eat.
You ate
Daddy. I eat.
strawberry ice cream.
Daddy. I eat Yahoo.
Strawberry ice cream in Malibu. Yeah.
I have my wheel.
Yeah, you found a monster truck wheel at the high school, right?
Easy shoes. And I need back shoe. And I need back shoe. My back shoe. I need my shoe day. And have happy and day.
And you go to ECC Ward. Who's your teacher?
Miss Tanya day.
Yeah, Miss Tanya. Miss Tanya, Miss Dina, and Miss Barb, right? 3 teachers. You have 3 teachers? Yeah. Yeah, you like Miss Tanya. You like your school and you ride the bus to school now?
Yeah.
Your school is way over there, ECC Ward.
No, it's right there.
Okay, we gotta go home soon. It's 9 time. Almost 9 time. Today is February 22nd, 2023. Joshua is 3 years old and 3 months.
Mommy, Daddy over there.
Say bye.